Morning guys, it's the 27th of January. I'm Henry Green from London Trading Group. Just a quick one before I get going. If you guys would like me to go through any other pairs, normally I go through the majors, but if you ever want anything else, just comment in the box below, and I'll always do my quick review on those in the morning as well, give them an additional add into the videos. So again, please click subscribe to never miss a trading update again. Right, so starting with Euro-Dollar again. So this is just grinding higher, and I do favour the short side of this still. So we have taken out this kind of low, so I would like just to see this roll over, and I think again obviously it's still key at that 108 level. I mean, we have got the FOMC meeting tonight, so it could go through then, or I mean obviously it could do the exact opposite, so I won't be in any Euro-Dollar positions going into that, but certainly through those 107.80 area, I think that's probably quite a good level to look through. At the moment, how I'm going to play it, I've got this past market angling, as you can see, as I usually do, so I'll be looking to take it through there. I'd also set up a 15-minute counter trend line that I'd probably be looking to take it through as well. So yeah, I do still favour the short side in Euro-Dollar, and I will be looking to take that short. I actually like Euro Sterling as well short, so that's another interesting one. So cable's finally closed through the 8 EMA, and this could signal this first bounce that we're looking for. So it's gone to the 127, and now we've rebounded. But for the time being, I am looking for a pullback. So I think maybe this morning cable could be quite a good short back down to 143.90. I'm not looking to take that because I just think it might come back down just to reassert itself on this 8 EMA. So often it will do that. It will just kind of sell off, bounce, and then we go again. But these EMAs are crossing, so I think my long bias for the time being in cable is valid at the moment. But I think this morning maybe we see a pullback and then we go again. So I think cable potentially we get down to sort of 142.80 zone and then we bounce and then we can go higher. My next level up is 144, through 144, 145. So my D is currently at 144.80. So I'll be looking to take it up to a sort of 145. I think that's probably quite a good zone in cable for it to get to, and a nice rally that it's done. And as we've said, we probably predicted quite early on. Dollar yen. Another interesting one. Again, I've got a long preference for this one. We have broken up. We failed to close above that 1880. It's a key stickler for dollar yen at the moment. I think you close above 118.80 and then the open side is truly open for that one. But at the moment, we failed earlier. We failed yesterday up at 118.60. So I'm just waiting for that to go above there. We've got this retest of this 15-minute counter trend line, and through those highs, so through sort of 118.60, I'd be looking to buy that. Just be careful of 118.80, big key level, but through there, I think you then open the top side, and then I'll look forward to seeing this rally. So dollar yen looks quite good as well, I think, on the long side today. We have just gone through, and now we're going to make this high low and then hopefully take these highs out. If you go through these highs, I think it goes long, and then actually this could be the third attempt for it then to go through 118.80. Dollar CAD, an interesting one as well. So we have just spiked lower. We went down to test 140.40. So interestingly, that was the level that we spoke about, and it has actually gone and tested that yesterday. So I mean, the fibs were perfect. Hit the fib D to the pip, as you can see, bang, straight to the D, A, B, C. So we have got this shallow pullback, and now we can expect this to go straight onto the 127. So that's 139.70. So yeah, I've got a little bit of support down there. So we could see this get all the way back down there. Again, how we're going to play this? Well, let's have a think about this. Where is my past market angle? Is there anything we can put in? Well, yeah, I mean, you could put this in. I don't really like this these as angles. They're just not as clear to me. So what I'd probably be looking to do is just sell that on a 15-minute chart maybe. So if I just parallel, if I just colour this white just so you guys, so it keeps consistency. If I just parallel this and make this white, excuse me. I mean, you could use this as the line, so we are currently through it. But I just like it as a 15-minute kind of trend line break, so I'd just be looking to sell on a 15. So hopefully we get down here, bounce, and then we roll over and then go again. So that's what I'll be looking for dollar CAD. Canadian dollar looks strong. I think this could continue. Obviously, oil, we're now at 31.50 for oil, so we are on that second fib. Well, we're on the fourth fib swing up. So we pull back into the 61.8, and this could rally now. So just be wary of that. We have got oil inventories this afternoon, so another one to watch out for. Aussie had a good day yesterday. We just had this kind of grind down slowly, and then we bounced and went higher. One of the traders here correctly pointed out that. So we are just respecting this line, and we're currently coming back up to the high. So I think through these highs, then it's an easy move to 70.70. Through 70.70, 71.85 is my next level up. But at the moment, you've got to play by the fibs, and these say that this is going to roll over. So again, we could make this lower high, and through sort of 70.07, I'd be looking to take a short and then manage it when it gets back down to this counter trend line. So I'd probably be looking for Aussie weakness Should we fail up here and we kind of roll over again, I think through 70.07 is my level. I think I'll be looking for the short-sided Aussie, and obviously playing it against anything else as well. So that's Aussie. Again, yesterday's bar was nice, but we are still underneath this 70.30. We still haven't closed above that, and I think that's the key. That's the key zone for Aussie dollar. So Kiwi. Kiwi is another interesting one. This is just sideways. It's not the nicest market to trade at the moment. It's not trending, and we're kind of just going sideways, sat sideways, and just making these like almost lower highs and lower lows. So where are we going to go with this one? Well, it is just grinding lower, so we would expect it to sell off today. 65.15 was a good level for me, as you can see. Just like Aussie, it's kind of sat on this plateau for a while. We broke through this first one, but then rejected off this 65. Well, I guess it's 65.20 area kind of level, and we've failed to close above that. So again, we've rejected off from it yesterday, and we seem to just be selling off into this morning. So there's no reason why I think this goes massively bid. I mean, we are in these up fibs, so the target would be, so if we manage to climb again, the target's back at the high, so 65.60. But if it manages to close above that level, if we kind of get a close above 65.60, I think then the top side's opened, and then you take on 66.30. So that was that, and that lines up nicely with that good sell zone that we talked about. So maybe it does go up there, but I just don't know whether it's today. So this brief rally, a brief sell-off, and then we've held yesterday. So it could, I mean, it could be 66.30. It could be on the cards today, but I just fear not. And I think maybe it's more realistic a target of 65.50 if you're going to go long. But I'm still favouring the short side in Kiwi. So it just seems to me that there's commodity, Aussie and Kiwi could just roll over. Dollar CAD looks like it's going to have a bit of a pullback today, and then I do still favour the, I do still favour the short side at the moment in that one. We've still not had that complete pullback. However, a little bit lower, and we are at the 100%, and that's often a good rejection zone. So just be wary of that one as well. Dollar CAD, dollar yen looks like I think it's going to rally again today. We could just dip lower again, but I think through 118.60 it's a safe buy. Just be careful of 118.80 and certainly through 118.80 the doors are open. Cable I think maybe has a pullback, so you're looking for that 38 pullback into sort of 142.80 to then go again in terms of risk to reward, to line that one up nicely. So yesterday, I mean, what we could do actually, this grind, how it ground lower the other day, so we could go with this one just like we did on the way up, parallel this, bang that in. Oh, it's gone through already. Okay, fine, so that's not valid either. So yeah, I'd just be waiting for a 15-minute line break. I think you get back down to that 42.80 area, and I'd be looking to buy that. And then the euro, I think this just rolls over. It's grinding, and I just think it goes lower high, and then we go through the lows. So I think we go and take on through 108.50. I think then you've gone back and take on 108.20 through that 107.80, and then you're back down to the lows. So it could be interesting. Obviously, we've got FOMC and our BNZ later as well, so we'll all be staying here for that. But I'm going to go. Hopefully, that was a quick whip through. I'm going to go back over to the virtual floor now, where we'll be there from 7 till 10 and 1 till 4. So please click subscribe and follow the link in the below, to sign up for that free. We got a free week trial for the virtual floor. So hope that's been useful, guys. Obviously, post any questions, any queries you have, and happy trading. Thank you.